This is the sound of a runoff, but how often you lose the fish, and these are the reasons why. Mistake number 1 is to lock up the drag. Then dead stick your rod and reel. This is like playing tug-of-war with the fish. Mistake number 2. Is to loosen the drag, while dead stick your rod and reel. And then spending 3 to 5 seconds to tighten up the drag, and most of the time the fish can sense the cautionary signal from your side. That has the same idea as the paper cups telephone that you played in your childhood. Mistake number 3. Is to tie bells to your fishing rod. Serves as an alarm. Remember these? The next would be 2 better method to hook up more fish. Number 1 is to wrap a heavy rubber band on your fishing rod end. Make sure the rubber band is lined up with the line roller of your reel. Set the drag properly and fold out the fishing line and tug it underneath the rubber band. Now you can open up the bail and wait while dead sticking the rod and reel. And the fish picks your bait. It won't feel any resistance and sound vibration. Let it runs about 10 feet or wait about 5 seconds, then gently close the bail. Then set the hook lightly. And the second method would be holding your fishing rod with your index or middle finger, holding the line parallel with line roller. When the fish picks up the bait, let it runs for 10 feet or 5 seconds, then gently close the bail and set the hook lightly. I hope these methods can help you catch more fish. Thanks so much for watching.